Hey guys, how is everyone out there? Hope you are all doing well and enjoying the colder nights and being cozy on the sofa. I certainly am. Do you know why? Because I found out how to work my heating. Yeah, last night. Finally worked out how to do it. It involves turning the heating on with a switch, apparently. Switch, we were told, was the immersion heater, so not to have it on. What can you do, eh? But anyway. It's the beginning of the month, so you know what time it is. It's time for a whole new raft of beauty boxes, and I'm going to start off with this one. Eve's Parcel. So I got this for the first time, well, I guess I got August one actually, but showed it to you last month, and it is actually a period subscription box. But I have now opted just to get the box with beauty and lifestyle or whatever items in it without any period things. So I'm going to compare it on that basis to all the other beauty boxes. If you want to find out what is inside and if it's any good, then it'd be awesome if you could give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, always subscribe to the Highdef family, and of course you can share this when you're done. Alright, let's get into the video. So the Eve's Parcel option is £10 plus £2.99 P&P or £2.95, one or the other, P&P to have the beauty items, or it's £12.99 plus P&P on top of that, I think, if you want period items, which makes it more expensive than Pink Parcel, which is just £12.99 for period and beauty. So this is the real comparison now. Beauty items like for like. Is this box now worth £13 a month? Is it the same as getting a glossy box or getting a BIRCHBOX? That is the question. Welcome to Eve's Parcel. This month's parcel is filled with products to make you smile. We at Eve's Parcel are all about female health and well-being. We want you to feel amazing both on the inside and out. Your parcel has been filled with products to help you relax, unwind and indulge. We've also included our yoga move of the month to help you feel great physically, as well as a positive affirmation for the month to make you feel amazing on the inside. We hope you enjoy your parcel as much as we have enjoyed creating it for you, and hope you help us spread the word by telling all your friends and family. Well, I'm doing the job. Can you send me a free one? You've got to try, haven't you? Right, let's open this up. So there's our affirmation, which says, I am enough, which is true. Affirmation of the month. Know that you are enough. You're a beautiful creation. The world needs your unique self and your unique gifts. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Explore new experiences, embrace change, find your strength, have faith, fall in love with yourself. And it says, put me somewhere you'll see me each and every day, so that you can say to yourself, I am enough. I don't need to be anything or anyone else. And then we've got our yoga pose. One-armed camel. Why is that a camel? Why is that a camel? I don't know. The camel stance increases flexibility in the spine, the nervous system and abdomen. It opens the chest, shoulders and helps with digestion. Stretching the back and abdominal area helps ease menstrual cramps and aches and pains. Fair enough. And then we have a card here that says the coffee scrub. So I'm guessing we're going to have some of this inside. Scrub-a-dub-dub, let's get in the tub. Strip off, get wet, rub in. At the Coffee Scrub Company, we are passionate about natural products. That's why our range of coffee body scrubs contain only 100% vegan-friendly natural ingredients. We hope you enjoy using your scrub, and don't forget to tag us in all of your social media posts. Okay, so let's find that. I got something. Oh. I was like, this was wrapped around this and I thought it was one item, but no, it's two. There we go. So there is the scrub. Oh, that was crazy for a moment. Yeah, we value the intrinsic beauty of nature and use only 100% vegan friendly natural ingredients, suitable for full body use. When using on the facial area, massage gently. It's got coffee, sugar cane, magnesium sulfate, which is Epsom salts, almond oil, orange oil and vitamin E. Yeah, very natural, and 50 grams, which isn't a bad size. Worth a try. I have tried a coffee scrub before, well, a few coffee scrubs now, and I found some of them leave me a bit waxy, so hopefully this one won't. So Eve says, the moisturising properties of this scrub leaves skin incredibly soft, while the scent invigorating orange blended with coffee helps to naturally lift your mood. What is this? So we've got chocolate drinking fudge, which I have never heard of. Chocolate orange drinking fudge from Fudge Kitchen. Produced in the UK, no gluten and vegetarian friendly, free from artificial flavour and colouring. So it looks like this, which kind of looks like tar or molasses or something. But what do you do with it? You have it hot, warm a mug of milk, hot not boiling, squeeze in the sachet of liquid fudge and stir or whisk. Or you can have it cold to make a milkshake. Wow, never heard of this before, drinking fudge. Okay, definitely worth a shot. An entirely unique concept created by Fudge Kitchen. Add hot or cold milk to create a rich, smooth, decadent drink flavoured with delicious chocolate and a hint of tangy orange. Sounds tasty and very good for this time of year. Oh, got something else from Fudge Kitchen. More treats. So this is it actual fudge? Clotted cream. Handmade gourmet fudge. I really like the packaging. It's a bit swish, isn't it? It's nice. Bourbon Madagascar bean paste. That's the good stuff, I think. Dusted with gold powder. Oh, I've got to get it out now. I need to see it. Oh yeah. Can you see that? There's the gold. So this is a clotted cream bite. Gourmet fudge like no other, handmade in small batches with the finest ingredients to create a smooth, melt in your mouth texture. Indulge your sweet tooth with this delicate clotted cream fudge. Ooh. Should I have some now or should I wait? Should I have it now? Should I have it now? Is that what you're saying? Taste some now because it sounds delicious. That's what I thought you said. So nice. Just melts beautifully. That is definitely good quality fudge. Okay. Got something else from Cura Heat, which is what we had in the last box opened, which wasn't technically last month, but the month before, but it is still good because can you have too many pain products in a box that's designed to go with period stuff? Probably not. But maybe another brand or a wheat bag or something else. I don't know. What do you guys think? Too much or useful? I mean, obviously for me it is useful because I'm always in pain, so but maybe not for everyone. If you're not choosing it for the period items. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. It's all day pain relief, non-medicinal. It's for back and shoulder pain. And this is specially designed heat pack for the lower abdomen or lower back. But this clearly says back and shoulder pain. So these are basically patches you pop on and it reacts with the oxygen and it heats up and helps the muscles to relax and stuff in that area and helps pain relief. If you find that heat helps you, if you don't, then it won't obviously, but it still might help with your muscles feeling sore and tight. And they say it lasts for 12 hours. Ooh. And once removed, the pain relief can continue for a further 12 hours. Well, this is definitely handy because I've got this particular point just under my left shoulder blade that is really causing me a lot of trouble at the moment. So I'm going to put this in my handbag and then, well, my backpack, and get my husband to put this on me when it hurts. We were in the car park when we were visiting his aunt for her birthday at the weekend, and he had to hitch my dress up in the car park, my bum and my tights hanging out everywhere. I was trying to hide in the car behind the door, but still, it was a bit of a state, really. So this is probably a better idea because he was putting heat cream on me. That's why he was hitching my scalp, not for anything else. Should have explained that, shouldn't I? Should have gone the whole hog with that story. But yeah, this might be useful for me. Will it be useful for you guys? Okay, then we've got something I'm very familiar with. I might even have this one, actually. This is from Cougar. This is Cougar Cosmetics 24-hour liquid lipstick. It says here in the colour Mulberry. These are all the colours along the side. Mulberry is the second one from the top. I don't know, looks more like one of these two, doesn't it? But for some reason these Cougar lipsticks never have them on the lid, like on the box, exactly which colour they are. I do like these liquid lipsticks. I do think they last, they are quite comfortable. Don't think there's much else to say about it really. I'll just show you the colour. So it looks like that, normal doe foot applicator, and they always smell really nice as well. So like that when the light's not shining on it. But they do dry down really well. That is nice. I really feel like I have got this colour, so I feel like I should give it away. Let's get to the end of this box and then decide, shall we? 24-hour lipstick is perfect for creating long-lasting, bold, striking lip, quick drying, highly pigmented and completely hydrating, a perfect warm, sultry plum shade for autumn. That's really good when I'm showing you, and I've managed to hide the bottle. Talk about skills, eh? Well, you saw the colour. This colour. This colour. Oh, dear me. Right. And we're at our last item now, which is this nice big thing. Pure. Which is a charcoal black mask with applicator brush. Peel off face mask that's been developed to remove impurities. This mask cleanses, purifies and rejuvenates skin to reduce blackheads, acne and impurities. Provides instant improvement to skin, removing dead skin and improving blood circulation. Okay, it says nourish your skin the way nature intended. And a little brush to put it on with. I always love a face mask, I'm quite happy to get this. And it does all the kind of things I like, and better than that, it's a peel off mask. And my husband loves a peel off mask. Makes him real happy. He doesn't want to do any other kind of mask, but a peel off one he'll enjoy. So we can do this together, so that's great. I'm just going to have a little add up and have a look at all these products, and I will be back with you. So I'm back. So this scrub, I just wanted to add on because of something else I've read. It's also very good if you've got eczema or skin complaints of any type, because it's natural. It shouldn't irritate your skin at all. So it might be worth having a shot if you've tried once before or you've been worried about trying it, because your skin might react. But they say that this should be good for you. I now have my grand total and I'm kind of disappointed. It's like having a ghost. Yeah, because the grand total is £16.33. It's not that exciting, is it? I mean, there's a bunch of interesting products. It's very nice to have the fudge and the stuff, although I kind of feel like they should be more extras, like not main products, like have 5 main products and then fudge on top or something like that, or the drink on top. I mean, obviously they're real products and the company looks like a really interesting company, but yeah, or have a full pack of these instead of one, because the full pack is at least 3, and so to have a whole set of these would be better. I don't know, you know my rule, I like it to be twice the box cost, and this does not meet that target. So I'm actually going to cancel my subscription, unless you guys tell me that you're desperate to see what would come next. I've given them a second chance to see if they're going to be any better this time than they were as Miss Flo, and to see are they going to improve, and maybe this time next year they'll be amazing and they'll be up there with Pink Parcel, they'll be up there with Glossybox and things, but right now they are not there yet. And you know what it is, it's advent calendar season, so I've got lots of other things to be spending money on and loads of stuff in my house. Honestly, house stuff is so expensive and it's everywhere. Who knew that you needed special lamps with ducks and hares on them? Did you know that? Did you know I needed that? And a new clock for the kitchen and new hooks for the pictures. Oh, the list goes on and on and on. Okay, these are not things I need, they're things I want, but you know how you know how it is. I just thought I'd show you this, the liquid lipstick. Nice and dry, not moving. Being me and being a bit silly, I managed to order 2 of these boxes. Which is kind of funny, isn't it, when it's a box you're not so thrilled about. But I decided that I would do a little giveaway, and there will be 2 winners. I'm going to give away 1 of these and 1 of these. So there will be 2 winners, and whoever replies to me first to say, you know, when I pick them out of the hat or whatever, or the bowl or the vase or whatever it will be, whoever replies first gets to pick the item and the other one gets whatever's left. Sound fair enough? Because if you are subscribed and you've got that notification bell on, you will get my video up straight away, so you'll see who the winner is, right? So you'll be ready and waiting. All you need to do is be subscribed, comment on this video what you thought of this Eve's box. If you want an extra entry, make sure you follow me on Twitter and or Facebook and or Instagram, and leave a comment below the post for this video. Leave a comment of some autumn leaves, because autumn is here. Yes, post that as a picture and that will count as an extra entry. If I can't see you subscribe to my channel, the entry will not count. If I can't see you subscribe to me on Instagram, etc., and you posted the image, then your entry will not count. And I will do this draw in a week's time. Yeah, I think that's probably enough time, isn't it? Just to let you know, this draw is UK based only. Yeah, for the time being, just for these items. There are more detailed rules in the information box, but you don't want to hear me going on and on, do you? No, you don't. Let me know what you thought down below if you want to enter, or if you don't want to enter, you can let me know what you thought anyway. Just let me know, just say I'm entering and tell me something about Eve's parcel. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it and it was helpful to find out about this box. Hope you will join me next time for my next unboxing, whatever that might be, or testing video. It might be a testing video actually. And until I see you then, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.